All right, so this number called me from Texas. They called me twice, um, and I missed the first one. I answered the second one, and nobody responded. So I looked up the number, and it was a scam for a home security system. I've already talked to two people. The first lady said, "Are you kidding me?" The second guy couldn't figure out what was going on and hung up. I'm gonna try him again because I got him twice. So let's see if I can do it again.
Hello?
Hi, this is Michael with American Home Standard Security Systems. How are you doing today?
I'm sorry, sir?
This is Michael with American Home Standard Security Systems. How are you doing?
I'm fine, sir. Actually, I'm from
Good.
the alarm company, sir.
Okay. Are you interested? We have a good rate. We have a rate of $9.99 a month. Are you interested in a home security?
I'm sorry about that, sir. I'm from the home security company, okay?
Okay,
So,
you're
I'm
with
sorry about
you're with America Home Standard?
No, sir. I'm with the home security company, sir. Home alarm company. That's me. What I mean is I'm also working for the home security company, sir. I'm sorry about that.
Okay, you're not interested in a home security system then?
Yes, sir. I don't, sir, because I can get it from my company, sir. I don't interest. I'm sorry about that.
Okay, how big is your home?
I'm sorry?
How big is your home?
Sir, this is the company phone, okay, sir? So I don't want to. Do you want to talk with my manager?
Sure. Is he interested in a home security system?
Sir, I'm sorry about that, sir.
Is your manager interested in a home security? Oh, this is awesome. Let's try him again. Oh gosh. I've got another line, so if they stop picking up, I'll just use the other line. Oh, this is awesome. I wonder if they can block my number. All right, let's try another number. It's not be taking calls anymore. Oh, this is great. Oh, all right, so they're just hanging up on me now. They're not answering. Let's try my phone again. It's weird. They must not like being bothered. Hmm.
Hello?
Hi, this is Michael with American Standard Home Security System. How are you doing today?
I'm fine.
Good. Are you interested in a home security system today? We have a good rate going right now, $9.99 a month.
Sorry?
We have a good rate going right now, $9.99 a month, and it's a very quick install. It'd be great. Do you have a good home? Hello?
Yes.
Do you have a good size home?
Yes.
Good. Are you interested in a home security system today? Hello? Can you hear me? This is Michael. Can you hear me?
I'm sorry.
Can you hear me? This is Michael.
Yeah, I can hear you now.
Okay, this is Michael with American Standard Home Security System. How are you doing today?
I'm fine. What about you?
I'm doing great. Are you interested in a home security system today?
No, I'm sorry.
Oh, you're not? Okay, we have a very good rate going right now.
But I'm not interested now, alright? Will call me later or another time?
Okay, can I get another number for you?
I'm sorry.
Do you have another number that I can call later?
You can call me back in this number, alright?
Okay, what time? Oh, that's awesome. They're so confused. Oh, God. Okay. They're the home alarm company. The number's from Texas. Eventually, they'll figure out to not allow incoming calls. Wait a second.
Hello?
Hi, this is Michael with American Standard Home Security System. How are you doing?
I'm sorry?
This is Michael with American Standard Home Security System. How are you doing today?
I'm doing great.
Good. Are you interested in a home security system?
No?
Oh, you're not? I'm sorry. Do you know anybody that might be interested?
I'm not interested.
Okay. I apologize. Are you at work?
I'm sorry?
Are you at work right now? I apologize.
No, I'm at my home.
Oh, you're at home. So good. Okay, good. What size home do you have?
Why are you asking that?
Because I'm interested if you would like a home security system.
Oh, sorry, I'm not interested. Okay, thank you for a call. You have a very good day.
Thank you. Can I, excuse me? What? It's weird. They don't like being bothered. All right, one more time. Oh, God. Oh, is it backwards? I don't know. Give it some more tries. I wonder if I should change up the story a little bit. Do one more. One more. I wonder if she recorded me or something, or got my number down. said she was at home though. I don't know. All right, I got to get it one more time because I'm gonna get their names, see if they'll give me who they are. Oh.
Hello?
Hi, this is Michael with American Home Standard Security System. How are you doing today?
Sir, do you want to talk with Michael?
No, I'm sorry. This is Michael. Who am I speaking with?
Sir, what I'm saying is I'm working now, sir. This is from Home Security Company, okay? Home Alarm Company. You better call to your customer, sir. I'm really sorry about that. Right?
Who's a customer?
Oh, you better call another person, sir, because in this time we are also running our job, sir.
Running.
I'm in the office, okay?
I'm sorry, you're in the lobby?
No, sir.
Are you not interested in a home alarm today?
No, sir. I don't, sir. I'm sorry about that. I don't, sir.
Okay. Can I have your name?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
My name is Ricky, sir.
Oh, God. Could you spell that for me?
R-I-C-K-Y, sir.
Oh, Ricky. Okay. I know Ricky. Okay. Are you interested in a home security system today?
No, sir. I'm really sorry about that. I don't interest about the system, sir.
Oh, you're not? Do you know someone that might be?
No, not right now, sir.
Oh, okay. Oh, why not? Why would you not want the home security for your house?
Okay. So, sir, if I'm interested, I'll call back to you, okay, sir?
I'm sorry, say that again?
I'll call back to you later, okay?
You'll call back to me, okay. Maybe when I'm not at work? Maybe later?
Yeah. I'm in the walk right now.
You're in the walls right now?
Yes, sir, I'm walking right now, sir.
Oh, you're walking. Okay, so not interested in a home security system?
Yes, sir. I'm not interested. I'm sorry about that, okay?
Okay, your house is too big, right?
I'm sorry, sir. I need to walk. I'm sorry, okay? You have a good day, sir.
Okay, we have very good rates. They hate it. They hate it. They hate being bothered. It's hilarious. All right, I'm done.